Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Google Pixel 6 Pro with a broken display. As you can see there, it's not working. So let's do something about it. So we tackle it by removing the display first. So it's held on by the adhesives. You lift it from the right side, the left side, remove the retaining clip, the replacement display, which we have here. It's brand new. We're just gonna align the connector and attach it. So we'll see if the smartphone is even working. Sometimes you can troubleshoot a smartphone that won't show you anything. So look at that, it's shiny, brand new. You can now see the Google logo. It's booting up and it's on, no problems.